So, what happens on settlement day? Well, it often occurs between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., usually in the afternoon. If there's financiers involved, they need some time to get themselves organised. And what we're looking at is making sure that all the parties are ready to go, all the money is there ready to be sourced from and delivered to. There's agreement with the figures. You've had a pre-settlement inspection. Then the next step, the money is going to be moved as to where it needs to go. And the next step is documents are lodged. So they'll be lodged with the titles office if you're in Queensland, New South Wales. And then the keys can be handed over. Notifications are sent out to everyone. You'll be arranging a time with the agent either to drop it off, the keys, or pick them up. There's other kind of codes and locks and whatnot that needs to be exchanged. That'll also happen at that time as well. Now, if you've got a commercial conveyancing matter happening for New South Wales and Queensland, obviously it's a little bit more complex. You might have leases that you're having to deal with. If the property is tenanted, you might have GST considerations, additional outgoings that need to be calculated, and so forth. So, what are you going to need to do to prepare for settlement date yourself? Well, if you're a buyer, you're going to need to make sure that you have got your funds ready for the settlement. If you're a seller, you're going to need to make sure that you've arranged with your financier or anybody else that you owe money in relation to the property to, that you're going to get all of their documents organised and they're going to be all ready and notified as well. And if you're leaving the property, you're going to make sure that the property is clean, it's in good condition. If you're buying the property, again, this is the pre-settlement inspection. You're checking to make sure that the property is as you had expected and anticipated that it would be, in the condition that it would be in. And those are the main things to get you ready for the settlement date. And if you've got any other questions, we obviously welcome you to get in contact with your conveyancer, with your property solicitor, and they can take you through those steps and all the little bits of details that are leading up to that point. So here at Oneness Lore, we help you with conveyancing, not just residential, also commercial conveyancing as well. We also help you with setting up trusts, setting up businesses, looking at making changes to your businesses, looking at loan agreements, looking at other kind of agreements as well that you may wish to have, especially if it's related to property or business. Now, also side note, if you are concerned about the kind of things that might delay a settlement, well, if it's something's going on there to do with your finance of where money's coming from, where money is going, then that can delay a settlement. If agreements are not in place, then yes, that can delay a settlement. If works have not been done on the property, then yes, that can delay the settlement. So there are a number of other things that can delay a settlement, and you can chat with us if we're working with you on your matter, and we can go through those kinds of things that may occur, because it's very unique to each situation as well. Now, if you're looking at becoming a custodian of land, and it's not just yourself, you're looking at setting up a trust or a company or another kind of enterprise to hold that in, then you want to make sure that that entity itself has been created prior to even the contract. But there may still be some things that you need to go through and ensure are in place properly before the settlement happens. So there may be some setting up of the entity, could be some other preliminary agreements that may need to be set up in the meantime, but they'll need to be in place before that settlement date. So yes, if you've got any questions, welcome to reach out to us. We've got an email address, info@onennesslore.com.au. We've also got a website, www.onennesslore.com.au, law spelt with Lore. And we'll chat with you soon.